So Workplace is not just another product. It's basically the platform that supports the entire life cycle of a workplace. So basically here in our booth, we have Workplace supporting every part of it. So everything is connected up to Workplace, and it makes it easier to just install, design, define, and manage and monitor your whole workplace. It gives you recommendations based on how your room is defined and designed. And then when you have your list of devices, you connect them up to the cloud. And then when they are connected to the cloud, you can manage and monitor them remotely. So you can avoid going on site for unnecessary service calls, and you can have a complete control over your AV situations, making sure that every space works every time from anywhere. So basically it starts off with you kind of create a digital twin of your real estate. So you know your spaces, so you can put it on you make a copy of it. And then when you have your list of spaces, Workplace Designer helps you determine what type of equipment you should have in each space. So based on the size, based on the acoustic preferences, we will give you a recommended list of devices. So that's how you actually get into the design phase. And then when you have that list of devices, you get them installed, and then not just get them installed and you're done with it, you get them also connected to Workplace, which means that you will actually be able to see them and manage them remotely from anywhere. And you can also make sure that you can have them restarted, relaunched as well. If you know, we have a automatic acoustics performance optimization called Biamp Launch. So you can do that as well remotely. And when that's also done, we use Workplace and the space awareness to have for scheduling the availability of the same spaces in the Workplace scheduling booking app. Yeah, it is an amazing feeling. I've been working with this for so long, and sometimes you kind of trivialize what we've been doing, but to see how actually Workplace can make a difference to people's work lives, that is truly amazing.